Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the first upgrade for the bike. It is going to be something for a little bit of winter weather riding. It'll make it a little more tolerable. So we got in the box there. So first, before we get started, I want to tell everybody thanks for watching. If you want to go ahead and subscribe for us, it helps us out. Get down there, hit that subscribe button, and turn the bell on. You get notified when we post regular videos. So now let's pop this box open and see what we got. Alright guys, we'll pop this thing open. Sorry if it has an echo. I'm in my garage and I got the door shut because it's apparently going to be wintertime today. I don't know, tomorrow we might do fall. You never know. Crack this open and I'll show you what we got. Got some hardware, some little brackets. There's one. Set that down there. And there's two. Nothing else in the box. I'll just open up one and show you what it is. This is huge. This is a lower fairing for my bike, which is adjustable. So you can open and close this guy. It's got a little glove box in there for putting small stuff, which that just broke. Oh no, it didn't, never mind. There we go. So yeah, it's in black, but yeah, it's okay. I think it'll look pretty good, and we can paint it later to match the bike. So we're gonna. I know you gotta separate this part to get to this piece here off. We'll do that, and we'll put one side on the bike. I'm not gonna show you both sides because they're exactly the same, just mirrored. So yeah, let me get this apart, then I'll come back when I get down on the floor. All right, so now let's get back in there. Something like that.
Oh, it cut off.
That's not at all funny.
Okay.
And we'll take cover piece. This is a number 10 bolt. It works a lot better if you have 2 or 3 hands to do this. But I don't. So if you ever can't get the bolt to stay in a socket, take a piece of paper and put it in between the socket and the bolt, and that paper will take up that gap and hold the bolt for you. So we're going to do that because you got to get back in this hole. There's 2 bolts back here that you got to get to. So you gotta hold that like that, at least so I can get one started. Like that. And use the same piece of paper for the next one. So newspaper works, paper towel works, shop towels work really good. Alright, just don't tighten those up. Just snug them. And then you got your 2 clamps. One is what are you doing?
I don't know.
This is Mia, everybody. Tell everybody about yourself, real quick. Tell me your name.
Mia.
Mia, this is my weirdo daughter.
No.
Nicknamed Chief. She's supervising the installation of these things. She's a good supervisor. Alright. So now, I'll put these brackets on, which doesn't come with any instructions, by the way. So you're gonna have to wing it. Okay. I got that one done. Now I need an Allen wrench. I'm going to have to move the bike to the other side. This will be a 13 nut with a little Allen wrench for the bolt. Alright. I don't know exactly how tight to tighten that thing, but I would say snug is good enough. We're going to go up here and tighten the other two in the front, in the top part of the fairing. Slide them kind of all the way to the curve of the crash bars, and then snug them, don't over tighten them. There we go. And that's pretty sturdy. It's not wiggly or anything. It does have your vent open and shut, but we're gonna leave that shut. So, all right. And it comes with a little glove box cover. Little snap that on these little plastic snaps, which they don't feel the strongest, but I'm not keeping anything in them right now anyway. I'll keep everything in the saddlebags for the other side. Okay, and that is pretty much the install. I'll show you this part down here. It goes bolt with the washer straight through, and then the nut and everything right there. Like I said, this should block a lot of the wind kind of coming up and over your knees and legs. So I know it's not color matched, but it was either this, and it had chrome too, but I like the black, so that'll work for right now until we can get them color matched. You know, next summer or whatever. What are you saying?
You could spray paint it.
No, I'm not spray painting. It's a Harley. I'm not spray painting it. I better tell this child you can't spray paint no Harley.
Yeah.
I'm no rattle can. All right. Well, we're gonna do the other side, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when we get done. Okay.
Yeah.
This thing has made a nest out here. She's got her blankets.
Anna.
She likes playing with garbage. She's like a cat.
It ain't garbage.
Oh, it is now because I'm gonna throw it away. Like I'm surprised you're not in the box. Wow. All right. Like I said, we're gonna do the other side real quick, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like.
I said I wonder like the ice cream center. Actually, that's turning into a cupcake. That's right, see. Okay. Good ice cream. See? Like this? Yeah. Daddy, what are you doing?
Show both sides.
Looks like it's gonna fall.
Here is the finished product, guys. Don't mind the trash fort my children have made.
We're in it. Toodles.
Hi. This is the front view with the lowers on, but I don't mind it being black, but I wish, like I said, eventually they will be paint matched. This company, I think XMZT or something like that, I used it for the last bike. So yeah, let me show you a little bit on both sides here. This is the right hand side. This is from the inside. You got your little glove box. The plastic snaps on these things are not the best. And it does have your vents down here. Open that up, let air come in, and close it to close it off. I like that. So that was the first upgrade we did to the bike. Next we're going to look at the radio, because that radio not working is a pain in the butt. Really good. I like that. I have to wait till we get another nice day and see what kind of air deflection we have. So if you guys enjoyed this first little video of the bike, get under and hit the like button for us. There, guys, want to say anything?
Bye. Bye.
My children are weird.
No, we're not.
You're
My
probably...
face is weird.
It is.
Just be.
Thanks for watching, guys.
You got voted.